Welcome viewers. When suspicion knocked on the hotel door, a hotel manager doesn't call police over noisy guests. She calls because something doesn't feel right. One woman, 3 Middle Eastern men. Staff suspect prostitution but cannot prove it. Officers arrive knowing suspicion is not evidence. Behind one hotel room door, an ordinary welfare check is about to become something very different.
What was that again?
You'll see him
No, okay. Sequence.
Mercy.
Hello, it's Officer Morton.
Officer Morton, my name is April, the front desk manager here.
Yes,
We called because we are thinking that some of the guys have brought a prostitute into the building, and we don't want prostitutes in our hotel.
Right.
And we think the same thing happened twice last week.
Okay.
And it's the same guys, and we don't want that. We don't want any prostitution at the La Quinta. So if it is a prostitute up there, she needs to leave, and they need to be taken as well.
Okay. So it's kind of a difficult thing for us to prove as far as the prostitution deal. But we can go up there and make contact with them. Now, as far as the La Quinta, if they're guests, you guys of course can have them leave, or it's a bit. You guys run a business, so you guys can absolutely make them leave. What we can do, we'll go up and make contact tonight. Is it the same female? Do we know? Hey, police department, come to the door. Hello, police department. Hi guys.
How are you?
How's everybody doing?
Speak Arabic.
Are y'all good?
Speak Arabic.
Okay. I need to talk to the female that's in here. Because I need to talk to her.
Doctor?
Yeah, the lady that's in here.
Lady?
I heard we've been standing out here for a minute, so have her come to the door so we can speak with her real quick.
Speak Arabic.
Have the female come to the door. Ma'am, come to the door right now.
We know you're in there. We sat out here and listened to you talk.
Come to the door right now. It's the police. I need to speak with you. Because we have a complaint and we would like to speak with you because these gentlemen apparently claim they do not speak English.
They don't speak very much English, but you can come in, I'm sure.
Well, no, you come to the door.
Yes.
You can step out here.
You guys got ID cards?
Yeah. What?
Hey, step out here.
I don't have my shoes on.
Well, just come step out here. We just gotta talk real quick. You guys got ID cards? Get your ID cards.
Got it.
What's going on?
Okay. What is your name?
Sherry.
Where's your ID card at?
What do you mean my ID?
You got ID card? Driver's license?
I have a
ID card?
driver's license,
Okay, where's
yeah.
that at?
In my wallet.
Okay.
That's what you wanted to talk to me about?
You guys get y'all talk to them. Miss Sherry, you come down here.
Have I done anything wrong?
No, but we need to talk to you about something because management's getting ready to kick you out, and I'm trying to keep that from happening.
I don't stay here, so they
That's
can't really
part of the
kick me out.
problem. Well, yeah, they can actually.
Well, I
So how do you
can go
know
on.
these gentlemen?
I'm friends with him, Sultan.
Sultan?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you known him? Because
Since I moved here.
here's the deal. Okay. We got
Since I moved to Georgia, I met him.
How long you been in
We became
Georgia?
friends. 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yeah,
Okay.
not very long. We just moved here, and I met him the week
Okay.
that I moved here.
Here's why we're here. Okay. And I'm trying to keep you from getting in trouble, but for whatever reason they think you're a prostitute.
Yes, yes.
Me?
Yeah.
Is it just y'all?
I don't know why. Okay, but that's what management's saying. Okay.
Y'all have ID cards?
Got it.
That's a room key, ain't it?
Oh, yes.
No, ID.
Since I moved
Passport.
AD.
Passport.
I moved to Georgia, I met him. We became friends.
I don't know if you've been in here a few times. I don't
They are renting the car that I was renting when I first moved here, and that's how we met at the rental car place.
Where do they work at? Are they over in the Guardian
They're
Center
working
deal?
with the Guardian, yeah. Yeah, and they're supposed to be there a few weeks.
Well, and that's what we don't want them getting in trouble. We're trying to quell all this, and you know.
We just bought a house here,
Who's we?
me and my fiance.
Who's your fiance? Is he in there?
And no.
Oh, okay. Now, what'd you say your name
And
was?
my
Sherry?
son, yeah.
Sherry what?
Is that really relevant?
Mm-hmm. It absolutely is, because we're here for an investigation now.
Okay, what's the investigation about?
A prostitution.
Oh, so y'all think I'm a prostitute?
No, but we've been...
You are under arrest.
For what?
Ma'am?
Go back over
grab your
there,
stuff.
right now.
I forgot my stuff.
Go right here.
I was
You go
standing
inside
right
and shut
behind
the door.
you. That is not legal. He moved, and I was walking through, and you grabbed him. I'm a witness, and you just assaulted him.
You're fixing to go to jail too for
For
disorderly.
what? We haven't done anything wrong.
Let's go. Right now. We're going to bring him downstairs and search him later. Let's go.
Go ahead,
More
I'll follow
chance.
you.
No, we don't let
In
Are you
front of
going to
us.
cuff me too? What am I being arrested for?
I'm going to give you one more chance.
To what?
to leave.
He said one more chance. That's not a chance.
You're
You
under
just
arrest.
threw it. No, you said one more chance. That's not a chance. Ow, stop it, dude. One more chance. You're not giving me a chance.
Yeah, feet.
No, you said you were giving me a chance.
14, can you go up back here, please?
Ow, you're hurting me.
Hands behind your back.
You said you were giving me a chance, and all I did was move. I was standing there.
Come back.
Don't leave.
Viewers, officers calmly speak with hotel management before contacting the occupants. The hotel exercises its right to remove unwanted guests while officers look for evidence rather than assumptions. No proof of prostitution is established. Instead, the encounter shifts when the woman allegedly refuses to comply after being trespassed from the property. As officers move to arrest her, resistance replaces conversation. She argues, refuses commands, accuses officers of targeting her because of the men she is with, and continues obstructing the process. By night's end, attention is shifted completely from suspected prostitution to criminal trespass and obstruction.
You tackled me.
Sherry,
Could you please get off me?
shut up, Sherry. Shut up, Sherry.
Oh, man.
You have one more chance, and then you grab me. Ow!
Put your hand behind your back.
You're hurting me.
Hey.
I have not done anything wrong.
Cliff,
You going to walk?
information only.
Nope.
No one hang up. No sounds of distress. Cell
You
phone
grab it,
data,
Laura.
1129.
Did you hold it?
I have post-traumatic stress disorder, and I don't trust cops.
Jeffrey.
But my lawyer can explain that to you.
Okay, ready? Up.
You're gonna assault
Yeah, y'all go ahead. I'll hit the next one. Or other two.
push me up against the fucking
We'll go
wall
on
and
this
took my
one.
purse? Or you pushed me up against the fucking wall and took my purse? After you said, oh, if we can talk to your friend, we're not gonna do anything with you. You can go home. Don't fucking touch me, old man. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me. Let go!
Guardian Center's going to love to hear about this.
I am committed. Oh.
I think we picked the right one.
Stop hurting me.
You're hurting yourself.
You are hurting me! Let go! Why are you doing this?
Go ahead. That's right, 12.
Throw the cigarettes in the trash or
12.
Okay, who knows this guy?
I am not speaking English, but maybe late.
Okay.
This my
Let's do this. You two go back inside. You two go back inside.
ارجعوا انتوا.
Yeah, tell them go back inside.
ارجعوا لما نشوف الموضوع. This group, okay.
Okay, come over here. Come talk to me over here.
They have a translator here.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Oh, go get the translator.
Where's your translator?
Oh, they don't come in.
Where's your translator?
I need to speak English. No,
they don't come
speak
in.
English. Maybe this group.
You have me on a separate pullover
From Saudi Arabia.
on my
And
MBT. It may
Guardian
not be
Center,
updated.
fireman. Okay.
That's permanent.
Maybe 1 month and go back to Saudi Arabia.
I'm heading back over to. He's on his own.
Yeah.
Is
Yeah.
it?
Tell you, boy, just you don't get it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they all been drinking.
Yeah, they've all been drinking. She going for obstruction too?
Obstruction times 4.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, they're doing elevators.
Take a picture of it. This is this guy you got.
Mm-hmm. Step back over here.
That manager did say that.
Yes. They said they wanted them all going. If she, well, they said if she was a prostitute, they wanted
When I
them all
went
going.
down there, talked to her, they want her gone for the night. When she speaks to the translator in the morning, she's gonna have
She's gonna have them going.
going. 14 Central.
But the owner was standing outside telling me. So then what was the reason for me being slammed on the floor and drugged down the hallway?
Precinct 250 hours. Production rolling when I wake him up.
Another DUI? She's gonna be a pain. We don't have nobody to stay. Yeah. She's not gonna cooperate. She's not gonna cooperate.
Well, what's your status on the start?
No, let's go on with you.
Stat, 7 times 2. Or times 1, got 8 times 1. Stat, 9 for the county. Proceed.
For criminal trespassing when the hotel owner came outside and told them that I was welcome there.
Oh, there you go.
I need you to stop digging through my purse and return it and put it in a bag. They've been digging through my purse.
You sit right
I'm
here.
gonna grab that stuff off the
Yeah.
Can you believe this shit? They said I was criminally trespassing in your hotel room.
I don't want that. You come with me, it's
No, it's criminal trespassing. And then they threw me on the fucking floor.
أنا بقيت وياهم.
Alright. This is not okay. They threw me on the ground and drugged me down the fucking hall. That is not okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, because they were arresting me.
What are they supposed to do?
I was visiting a friend and they said I was criminally trespassing.
I see you.
Yeah, it's probably the second or third
I
time
am
they've
able to
arrested
speak
you.
English. I am little speak English.
They don't care.
I'm
We have no rights right now. That is a lot.
And put you on, okay?
Let me tell you. I'll tell you. Turn around for me so I can take the handcuffs off.
I'm so sorry. This is my
I just fight for nothing to do. Okay. What's this deal? Excuse me. Excuse me.
The foreign gentleman staying at the hotel was charged with 2 counts of obstruction. The unregistered female guest was charged with criminal trespass and 3 counts of obstruction. What do you think? Was this simply a case of a woman visiting her 3 friends? Or was there something else happening behind that hotel room door?
Viewers, foreign male guests was reportedly charged with 2 counts of obstruction, while the unregistered female guest was reportedly charged with criminal trespass and 3 counts of obstruction. All accused are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court, and the investigation began with suspicion but ultimately concluded with entirely different alleged offences. Yeah, what do you think, viewers? Leave it in the comments.